channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video, guys. On this video you can see I got my clips hair, guys. For those who have not seen the video on how I did my clip hair at home, I will link the video up at the side for you to see how you can create your own clips hair at home. So guys, this is the hair I just fit in the clips, and look how natural. I mean, this is the most natural clip hair I've ever seen. So in doing your clips hair, what you will be needing is you need your clip hair. Those are the clips hair that I did. So you need those, and you need a tail comb to help you trace the line, and you need a big comb to help you comb your hair, to free tangle your hair. You know, you're working with your hair, so you need your hair to be free tangle. So we just go in and comb my hair, comb it real good. You know, your hair don't need to be tangled when you're working on it. So I just comb my hair and I try to make a side line. I try to create a sideline on it, and that is the first one I'm going from behind. So guys, you know your girl got no eyes behind, so I was just trying my best, and there was no mirror in front of me. As you guys can see, there was nothing, so I was just tracing the lines with my fingers. So that's what your girl did. So that is the first line your girl got. I mean, the line is something, but I tried my best. So I just go in and I try to clip the hair, and my camera too was not that focused. You know, your girl is all alone. Please just bear with me, okay? So going with that, you have to first remove some hair at your side, at the ear side. So when you want to put the hair up, you have some hair to cover the clips, you understand? So now I'm going in now with the clips. I just like go in first and open the clip. You know, the clips are always closed, so you need to open it up and you hook it like a comb. The clips are like a comb, so you just hook it with your hair and you tighten the clip. I did the same thing now with the other side. So that's it. So my clip hair, it's well laid from behind. As you guys can see, it's well laid. It's like I sewed the hair, of which I did not sew. I just put the clips, you know. So guys, that is it. So I'm going now in now with the second line. Pardon my lines, you know, your girl got no eyes from behind, and there is no mirror. I mean, I was just trying my own best. That's what I can say. So that's it. Look at the line. Oh my god, when I saw this video, I was like freaking out with those lines. So I just go in, I do the same thing. I just open up my clips and I try to bring out some hair from my side, from my ear side. As you can see what I'm doing, you just try to bring out some hair. Like when you're going in with drumming your hair like a ponytail, you don't have a clips or a bundle showing from out. So I just go in and I hook my clip on my hair and I tighten it up. You just press it. There's a clip there, you just press it. I will give a sound tick. You know it's well laid and well tight. So I just move into the next. So your guys just doing the same thing over and over, and those lines, I mean, when I finished this video, I was watching the video, guys. Those lines make me not to post the video, but of course I have to post it. I don't have eyes. There's nobody that has eyes behind, you know. So I'm just doing the same method. I'm just doing the same thing over and over. So I'm just trying to show you guys the length, the quantity you need to, the space that you need to give before you put your clips. Like, it's just half a cent. You give the space and you put the clips. So that's what your girl is doing. So I'm just trying now to fit the middle part. You know, this middle part we always have like 3 or 4 clips there. So for this I got 3 clips. So I just clip the second one at the middle side to help the hair puffed a little bit from on top. So now I'm going in now with the last side. Pardon me, guys, please pardon me. I didn't have someone to help me, assist me, like focusing the camera on my hair. So I was just doing it all alone and without a mirror, guys, without a mirror. Oof. So that's it. So you just fit in your hair and you clipped the hair. Look at how laid the hair is, but those lines. Oh yes, now I'm here at the front part. You can see the line. Oh, now you know someone got eyes to see the line. So I just traced my line now from the front part, the first line from the front. You can see the line, it's well traced. I mean, when you see this kind of line, you know, yeah, the person that did the line has eyes. So I just did that and I opened up my clip hair. So when I open up my clip hair, I will just go in now and I put it on my hair and try to clip it down. So before you go in with clipping the hair, you first remove a little bit of hair from the front part. You know, you're going in for a clip hair that as same as you can put it as a ponytail. So we really need to make the front part to be real natural, understand? So I just clip my hair. That is it, guys. So your girl now, it's, I think I'm at the last line. I don't know for sure. I think I'm at the last line. Yeah, I'm at the last line. So I'll just go in and do the same thing now. Try to trace the last but not the least line. So your girl just trace the line. I'm just hooking the hair up, and now I am going in now with my clipper. Just open it up and you place it on your hair. First, you remove, do not forget to always remove a little bit of hair from in front. That is very important for clips hair, very important. So I just remove that, and now just go in and I hook it up. I'm sorry, guys, I'm really sorry of the way I did this video. I mean, I needed someone to assist me, but my friends were all busy, guys. Just bear with me. Next time I will try my best to kidnap someone and bring in my room. If it's possible, I will try to kidnap someone. So that is just it, guys. So your girl now, it's done. I am done. Look at the hair, guys. I mean, this hair, it's popping. I mean, it's so natural. I really love the hair. Nobody can even figure it out that I got some clip hair there, because it's just same length with my hair, 14 inches, and my hair is 14 inches. So it's just like my hair. Nobody can figure it out. Check out the hair, guys. Just check it out. So now I'm just trying now to take the hair all up as in ponytail. Figure it out for yourself. Check it out, guys. See how this hair it's looking like, guys. I mean, I really love the end results of this hair. My hair, it's my hair is just so cool, you know. So that's just it. So I just try my best to hook it up with the comb, you know, because I didn't want it to tie something up that I'm still gonna lose it. So just hook it up. So now I'm just going out and trying to lay the hair off from behind to see how it's gonna look. So, and it's still good, you know. So you can style this hair as in 3-star. You can put it as a ponytail, you can put it as in all from behind, and you can still rock the hair as a side line. We can rock this hair in 3-in-1 style, you know, as a ponytail or behind as in side line. So now I'm just going now to try to style the hair as a side line. So I just comb the hair all from the side. I didn't even create a cool line. I just comb the hair and it just fall off. So that is it, guys. That is it about my hair. You can see I'm just trying to comb the hair. I've not babbled the hair or anything. I just put the hair just natural on my hair, just like that. So I'll be doing the bubbles on the hair another time. As for today, your girl was exhausted. I was so tired. Just came back from work. It's almost 11. Just came back from work at, it's almost 11. I said, no, let me do this video to you guys. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Bye. I love you all so very much. Peace out. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not done so.